All right. Hello, you guys. If your garage is not working, check around, okay? Look. First, you look if this is broken, this thing, or this thing, or I'm totally serious here. Look. This is what I noticed is broken in me and mine. This spring broke, okay? Now, if you're a single mom like me, then this is not my normal videos. I am a psychologist for my day job, but I want you to know, look, this thing right here, this replacement spring, this is not $500, okay? These things, they're $20 from a different company, okay? And so I'm not gonna tell you everything that happened to me, but I want you to know, okay, these are the things I've learned. My lesson that I learned, all right, is, okay, listen close, right? I'm a doctor, I am, but not in garage door repair. I don't know. They break every 20 years, so you don't know these things until you know them, right? 1, don't pay the full price until they're done with the job. 2, do not pay on Venmo, okay? Just FYI, I'm not saying what happened to me. 3, get a referral from your friends if you can. 4, go online and check what prices are for this is called a garage motor. Just look on Amazon, all right? And then it's going to be my brother. 4, 5, call your brothers if you have brothers. 6, if you have a good man in your life, don't let him get away. I didn't plan to be a single mom. But, all right, I think that's it. Let's see. Call your brothers, ask them, because my little brother lives in a different state, and he's like, you could fly me out, and I will fix that for you for less than you're going to pay. And so it's worth the time. You're worth the time to look these prices up, understand what's happening to you, take responsibility. Don't let people intimidate you. The person that came back, pray, stop and pray. I meditated this morning and it's still, all right. And one other thing is, look, when all of this is done and you realize it's 9:30 p.m. and you haven't eaten since 11 this morning, you can always find some fried cheese and just throw it in the oven, and then you're good to go. All right, so learn from me. Please don't make this mistake. You can look up these parts, look up all the parts, call other companies. Oh, also make sure that they have a physical address, even in these days, and make sure that they have their license number. And if all of this fails, someone gave me a tip, and I did this, is take a picture of their car plates, all right? That's something. But don't do all of the things that I just said. And you know what? I get to save so many other people heartache because I get to put this video out for you. I wish you so much love. Just be loved in your life. There's so many other things going on in this world that's so much worse than this. But I don't want people losing a bunch of money, and I want you to feel like you're competent and that there are things you can do. Reach out to your friends too. I called about 10 different friends. I mean, I heard back from 2 of them, but that 2 was enough. All right. So make friends in your life. I wish you love. Thanks. I hope this helped you.